Hello everyone, this is Zakir Hussain, faculty in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today I will tell you a new concept of learning, that is the formation of clubs in Mechanical Engineering Department. The reason behind the formation of these clubs is to impart a better understanding of practicality of the mechanical engineering system. So in this system we have made different models on different subject, and one of them is car air condition model. In this model we elaborate the different functions of car air conditioning parts to give a brief view about how these components function and how these components manufactured. Why we are giving this introduction to students? The reason is the companies that manufactured these components are big and provide a great opportunity to the students in this field. So before applying or before going in these companies, the students will be fully equipped with the components, how they manufactured and how they function. In our automobile club, the second model is internal combustion engine. The reason behind making this model is to provide a practical view of automobile industry, because in our country there is a huge demand in automobile industry. Before applying in this industry, the student should know the various aspects of this industry. First of all, the student should know the various parts that is used in internal combustion engine and how these parts manufactured and how these parts functions. So the students come there, and before dismantling this engine, the student go through a PPT based on automobile engines, and then a student dismantle the whole engine, and after dismantling the students know the material used for each components and the functions performed by each components. After knowing all about the various parts of this engine, the student assemble the whole engine itself. After assembling, we restart the engine to know how we assemble the whole engine.